we're back. We got the 4-inch. And we got that 4-inch hole drill. Now, take it off and chamfer that way. Let's move you up towards the mill. Let's see if it fits up on the mill. It's up on there like I want it to. It's a hair bit loose, but that's going to be fine. We're going to lock it with the set screw. Then, okay. All we're going to do now is change gears and whack him off. So, I don't know how much you can see. Let's get up a little bit there. Take the spin a little out of the view so you can see my smiling face over here working. The way that I do things with this, I went back and when I bought this this lathe, I had a lot of trouble with cutting stuff off with it and getting slow enough speeds. So my solution was just go to a belt supply house and buy a proper belt to do the job. Okay, whoop out this brand new cutoff tool, homemade special. Yep. Always fun when you're working alone. Of course, we're not working alone today. Have my YouTube friends. Let's corners here a little bit. This is just a cheap file, and it's because it's aluminum. I don't use the nickels at all. I'm telling you. Of course, this one of them Mexican nickels that you can't really get American made anymore unless you find them at the flea market or something. File. Must be people don't file much anymore. Like I said, I'm just going to let it fall and pick it up. Well, we're going to have to kind of back up 5 yards and punt here, gentlemen. So, I'm just going to have to stop you here. Okay, we're back. What happened was I did not allow it. I just didn't done one of them fundamental, didn't do a sanity check, and was fixing to get down on the chuck jaws actually. So, I was actually hitting the chuck jaws. Whoa, you should be getting that close enough to be cut off. Much more now. Just let it fall. Probably just might as well let it fall and try to catch it in such a small hole anyway. cut it off. And I'm just going to go ahead